the AcneLXR Spot Treatment. This right here is the magic formula. This is what is clearing your acne. The rest of the products are to clean the skin, to keep it healthy. This is to get rid of that inflammation and the redness that you have. Every other product out there that you've ever tried has worked under the theory that when your skin overproduces oil, whether it's a stressful situation or a hormonal situation, overproduces oil, it gets clogged in the pores and creates the pimples. So their philosophy is to dry out that excess oil, which sounds logical, but the way the skin works is if you dry out the skin, which all those other products are doing, your body then fights being dry by overproducing even more oil, leading, I know when you've tried other products, you've been like, oh, this works great, you know, my skin's starting to clear, and then bam, it hits you even harder when it comes back because the skin's fighting against the process you're doing it. However, if you get a cut on your arm, your body's designed to heal that. It'll just take some time, but you could speed up that process by adding different nutrients, whether it's vitamin A or vitamin E, different things that I know you've heard. If you sunburn, you could add aloe and it'll speed up the natural healing process. What I've done with this is I've taken the same thing. You know that pimples go away in time, but give it 2 weeks. No one wants to leave a pimple in their face for 2 weeks in order for it to heal. How do we speed that process up instead of scientifically try to fight the way the body wants to heal it? Enter AcneLXR Spot Treatment. This takes the anti-inflammatory benefits of salicylic acid and combines them with the skin-nourishing, skin-beautifying ingredients like pantothenic acid, tea tree oil, jojoba oil, different zinc, different minerals, vitamins, essential oils, amino acids are in here, and anti-inflammatories, antioxidants to suck out the redness, to suck out the inflammation that's there faster than you ever have had it happen before. You are going to be blown away. It's like nothing you've ever tried.